Everyone, hello. So for today's video, share ko sa inyo yung mga steps na dapat niyong alam if you are, for example, nagwi-withhold kayo for expanded or for final tax. So basically high-level process to. I have a more detailed discussion in my succeeding videos. But of course, dapat alam niyo muna yung high level. So for example, when I say final tax, for example, meron kayong sales. Tapos yung sa sales na yun, you have to pay royalties. So if you're going to pay for royalties based on your sales, syempre, you won't pay the entire amount of royalty, but you have to withhold 20%. Okay? 20%. So, yung wini-withhold nyo na yan na 20%, dapat, sabi ko nga sales, syempre meron kayong sales monthly. May withhold din yan every month. So, kung magwi-withhold kayo, for example, ang royalty nyo is, sabihin na natin 1,000. Simplihan lang natin na hindi ka vatable, ha? Tapos, sabi ko nga 20% dyan, dapat i-withhold mo. Alright? So, kung mag-withhold ka ng 20% niyan, ang ibibigay mo lang na lang doon sa babayaran mo ng royalty would be the 800. The 200 has to be withhold. Tapos, dapat i-remit mo yun sa BIR. So, since this is royalty ha, ang nature ng transaction, so, you'll be using yung 0619F na form. If it's monthly, yun ang gagamitin mo. Now, syempre, quarterly, may reporting yan. So, for example, sa case ngayong third quarter, we have July, August, September. Okay? So, halimbawa, consistent ang sales mo na lang na 1,000. So, every month, July and August, magwi-withhold ka ng 200, magwi-withhold ka ng 200, pero yan monthly, kailangan mo siyang i-report using 0691F. Okay? And then, yan ang tax form na gagamitin mo. And ang submission niyan is on or before 10th day of the following month. So, kung July yung sales na yon, nag-withhold ka ng 200 pesos, yan ang i-remit mo sa BIR. So, i-withhold yan on the, for example, July, on or before, ito yung deadline, on or before August 10. You'll be using tax form 0619F, okay? Now, come September, may reporting ka, but you'll not be using 0691F. For the first 2 months, gagamitin mo yung 0619F na form. Pero come September, yung third month ng quarter na yon, you'll be using yung tinatawag na 1601FQ. Okay? Yan yung gagamitin yung form kasi isa-summarize yung total transactions for the quarter and then i-reduce mo yon sa first payments mo ng first 2 months of that quarter. Yung remaining na hindi mo nabayaran, yun ang mabayaran mo for the third quarter. Okay? So, for example, yung third quarter mo, ang sales mo na is 2,000. Okay? 2,000 na yung sales mo. So, mag-withhold ka ng 20%. 400 na to, right? Okay. So, ito yung withhold mo. Tapos, ang babayad mo na sa kanya would be 1,600 sa third quarter. Okay? Assuming, ito yung sale mo din ng, ito ang sale mo ng July, August, tapos ito naman yung September. Sa form 1601FQ, merong way on how to show this one. Okay? Na ang sasabihin mo, ang babayaran mo dyan would be just the 1,600. So, pakita ko ha. For example, ito. But this is 1601F. Punta tayo dito sa 1601F. Okay, quarterly, yan o. 1601FQ. Fill up natin. Okay, ito yung sinasabi ko na fill upan nyo quarterly. Okay? Alright. So, dito, mamimili din kayo. For example, yan, fill upan nyo na siya. Third quarter, halimbawa yan. Yung ATC, kailangan mo na pala i-fill up yung number 4. Any taxes withhold? Yes, nag-withhold tayo. And then, category ng withholding agent, for example, private kayo, ayan. Tapos, ito, pipiliin nyo siya dyan. Halimbawa, royalties, ito. Royalties, and you're working with, royalties paid to citizens, ayan. Other than library works and musical composition. May royalties pa rito. Sabihin natin ang royalties would be for, mamimili ka kasi dito. Majority kasi 20% ang royalties. Pero, let's see ha. Asan yung royalties na relating sa sales? Kasi yun na madalas eh. Ito, all kinds of royalties to see, all kinds of royalty payments. Ayan. Yan, pwede yan. All kinds of royalty payments. And then you have to click this one. Tapos, ilagay nyo rito yung total sales consolidated daw for the quarter. For sa case na to, yung total sales na to, sasabihin natin is 4,000, right? 4,000 yan eh. Pag inad mo yan, that's 4,000. So, siya yung ilalagay mo, dito, 4,000. Naka-default na siya na 20%. And then, ang total mo raw babayaran is 800. Pero, for the first quarter, first month of the quarter, remember, you have paid, kasi 1,000 yung sale mo, another 200, tapos same is 200. So, yung balance, which is 400, has to be paid on the for third quarter, okay? Ngayon is, sabihin natin September, right? If you will go here, ang babayaran mo talaga is 400. So, I showed you already na ito yung way on how to make the tax form, the 1601FQ, quarterly yan. So, yan, third quarter, ganyan. Tapos, pagkagawa nyo yan, syempre, you have to save, validate, and then you have to have a copy of this one and do the necessary payment. Ang deadline for payment of this one, pag quarterly siya kasi, it's the, end date or end date of at the end of each quarter close. Sa case ngayon is October, ang deadline for payment niyan would be around October 31. Okay? October 31 yan. Kasi, kaya October 31 yan, meron pa kayong gagawing alpha list. Okay? So, yun ang gagawin nyo. Gagawa kayo, magpe-prepare kayo ng, for third quarter, magpe-prepare kayo ng 1601FQ. And then, you have to file. Yung ginawa natin dito, we have to file and submit. Okay? Save natin yan. Ganyan. So, paano ba ginagawa? Normally, on how I do it, ganito. But this is not third quarter, ha? This is, sa ibang So, yan. This is yung first quarter, no? Okay? So, normally, pag mag-file kayo, yung ganun ginawa ko, you have to have a copy of this one. And then, pag sinend nyo kasi siya, sinabit nyo siya, you have to receive confirmation. And then, once you receive a confirmation, even yung payment, no, you have to document the payment. You have to have a copy of the payment sa pagsasave nyo ng file. Very important also that you have to keep a copy of this reference number kasi gagamitin to at the end of the year. Okay? Yan. Sinabi ko yun sa inyo. So, let's go now to the high level. So, you have to prepare for quarter end process. You have to prepare 1601FQ. You have to file and pay. Okay, pwede kayo magbayad ngayon sa Paymaya. Merong mga ibang options din sa may YEG. Pwede yon. And then third, very important, is to prepare alpha list. Sa alpha list kasi, ililista mo rin sino yung mga winidholdan mo. So, you have to perform yung data entry, then validate, tapos makaka-come up kayo ng quarterly alpha list of payees, yung QAP. And then once you do this, i-submit nito using yung inyong registered email address sa BIR. And then you have to wait for the confirmation. Ito yung sample na nag-QAP ako for this quarter. So, I have submitted it. I put the name, and then ito yung that file. And then, I waited for the response of the BIR regarding sa sinabit ko. So, nag-submit ako noong 10:05. And then pa nito is 10:30, right? 10:05, pero ito yung importante matanggap mo from BIR. Yung sinasabi nilang valid files is 3, number itong valid file is 0. So, ayan, sinasabi dyan na walang error. So, ito yung alpha list submission. Alright? So, this is basically yung high level on how to perform yung quarter end process for for payment of yung mga final taxes. Similar process din for expanded. Whether you have withhold 5% kung may rent or may professional fees kayong binabayaran, either you withhold 5% or 10% depending um, on the income nun, o kaya yung services, yung goods, ganun kung nag-withhold kayo. Expanded naman yun. Ibang tax form naman siya. Yung sa expanded is 0619E, pag monthly, pag naman quarterly, it's 1601E, tapos pag annual, 1604E. Same din yung process, you have to get also the reference. So, high level ito, I have a more detailed steps on how to do this. So, just to share, I have a website. Ito yung aking website. Pakita ko sa inyo. So, I have my website, min.bcpay.com. I have here yung services. You have to click on the services. And then, here I have yung online courses. Tapos, tax forms. For example, how to do a certain tax form. So, you can click it here. Ayan. So, you can browse over ano yung mga kailangan nyo. So, ito, at the comfort of your home, at your own timing, pwede nyo ma-watch yung videos. Okay? With a very, this is investment fee is really very low for this season. Anytime it could go up soon. But just for the sake of those helping na ngayon kasi in-introduce ni BIR na talagang kailangan mag-comply na maraming online sellers, maraming hindi pa nakakaalam ng proseso. So, I come up with a course na very simple and very, naman, affordable. Like, for example, how to do 1601C. So, very, 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 sobrang maliit na yung price na yan. Compared pag hindi ka gumawa, you'll be paying compromise fee or penalty, may surcharge, may interest, yon. So, iba-ibang investment fee yan. Alright? So, I have it in here. Just have to browse over. And then you just have to click. And once you paid, you just send me an email. Okay? So, meron na mga instructions yan. So, I'll be putting more forms. Kaya ito meron pang coming soon. And I'll complete as much as possible. I'll try my best to really put everything here. I'm currently working on that. And I'm currently working also dun sa quarterly ng final tax and expanded. So, if you have any questions, just feel free to make a comment or send me an email. Because in my website, you'll be able to send some inquiry there. Yan. So, dyan, pwede naman nyo ako i-click sa contact. Or, you can have, at this point, free yung consultation for the first 15 minutes. Alright? So, if you have any more questions, just let me know. Send me an email. Alright, thank you.